As an adapted physical education specialist for over 25 years, I have observed students with disabilities, sensory motor impairment, developmental delays struggle with ball skills. Slow motion is a developmental ball creating an innovative approach to teaching kicking, soccer-style dribbling, tossing, and catching skills for students with disabilities, developmental delays, and pre-K grade levels. Slow motion balls are easier to kick and dribble, as well as toss and catch, as their trajectory is slower than regular playground and soccer balls. Proprioceptive feedback is positive, as opportunities for repetitive trials are allowed with the slower moving balls. No more chasing balls across the gym floor. Slow motion fosters independent skill development on an individual level. Excellent for students with sensory integration problems, children on the autism spectrum. Preschool and kindergarten pre-kicking, dribbling, tossing, and catching. Tested in elementary physical education settings and has been requested by preschool and elementary physical education teachers. Slow motion is a weighted ball inserting 6, 8, and 10 ounces of sand in an inflatable 8-inch ball. 6 ounces of sand for the pre-K first and second grade levels, 8 ounces of sand for 3rd through 5th grade, and 10 ounces of sand are used for autism programs. 10 ounces of sand is inserted into a regular soccer ball for 6th through 12th grade so as not to have the students stand out as they would have a different colored ball or a different looking ball. So the ball would look the same as the other regular soccer balls.